All right, we're going to continue learning about the skeletal system. We're going to read a book called My Bones, and afterwards we'll have an activity, but we'll come back to that later. Some of the words we're going to hear are bones, irregular, joints, protect, skeletons, and support. Do I fear skeletons? No, skeletons are amazing. I have one inside me right now. My skeleton is made of all the bones in my body. My skeleton has 206 bones. The smallest bone is in my ear. The largest bone is in my leg. Human bones can be grouped into 4 shapes. My bones are long, short, flat, or irregular. And here's some example of long bones, short bones like in your ankles and your other joints. Irregular means they're not just either long, short, or flat, but maybe a combination. And then flat. My leg and arm bones are long. The bones in my ankles are short. My shoulder and skull bones are flat. The bones in my back are irregular. My bones help support me and protect me. I can stand because of my bones. My bones give my body shape. My bones also protect my soft parts, such as my lungs and brain. Joints connect my bones to each other. A few joints, such as those in my skull, don't move. Most joints help me bend, turn, or grab. Bones are living parts of my body. I eat well and play to take care of my bones. I need my bones to be strong. I am not afraid of skeletons. Skeletons are made of amazing bones. And here are the words we learned. Bones, the hard parts of a body that give it shape. Irregular, not straight, even, smooth, or following a normal pattern. Joints, parts of the body where 2 bones connect or fit together. Protect, to guard or defend from harm or danger. Skeletons, frameworks of bones and cartilage that support and protect the bodies of humans or other vertebrates. Vertebrates are any living creature with a spine, or bones basically, and support to hold the weight. All right, so let's go back up here and look at our assignment. We're going to do this first one. It says draw a picture of yourself with bones and without bones. Then write about why bones are an important part of your body. So there was a page here where this boy did that. He drew a picture of himself without bones and a picture of himself with bones. You're going to do the same thing, and then you're going to give me 2 reasons why bones are important. All right, so again, draw a picture of yourself with bones and without bones, and then write why bones are important. I want 2 reasons. All right, good luck.